welcome, guys. Welcome. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to this new live trading session. We are October 19 already. Damn, times fly. Welcome. Donc, bonjour et bienvenue à tous à cette nouvelle session de trading en direct qui sera en franglais. Donc, on va passer de l'anglais au français pour essayer de répondre au plus de questions possibles. Donc, ne vous gênez pas. So again, this session is going to be in Franglish. I'll be bouncing from French to English, trying to answer the most questions as possible. So don't be shy if you have any question. If you want to share your chart, do it. Just simply go on TradingView. Let me flip this camera. You need to go on this camera button right here on the top right on TradingView. You can click on this. You're going to click on copy link to the chart image. And you're going to erase the first part. You're going to keep the \x to the other backslash. And you're going to paste that in the chat. Donc, si vous voulez que je revoie votre chart, simplement allez sur le bouton en haut à droite de la caméra. Vous allez cliquer là-dessus. Vous allez copier le lien. Vous allez effacer la première partie. Et vous allez garder la barre oblique avec le X jusqu'à l'autre barre oblique. Tout simplement. All right. So before we get going, let's go see. Make sure that actually maybe I'm talking to myself. So hopefully the sound is good. All right, here. And then first comment. Here we go, man. Welcome, my man. Welcome. Good morning, bro. Good morning. Let's go, GK. Let's go. Yo, the Caribbean guy. What's up? Good morning. Paul, bonjour Sacha, j'espère que ça va bien. Oui, ça va très bien. Merci à toi, Paul. Bon matin à toi. All right, guys. So let's get going. So people ask me if did I traded yesterday? Yes, I did trade, but there was no trade. So I didn't took any trade. So yes, I was looking at the chart, but it was just like retarded, stupid, rangy. So I mean, this is no good. Oh, look at this. We finally have a break. Okay. We finally have a break here. Awesome. All right, so you know what? Let's start fresh. Let's delete this. This is something I was looking at yesterday. I mean, those on are still good because it was rangy yesterday, basically. So I'm gonna keep those on actually because I mean it just makes sense. But so let's take a look starting from the monthly time frame. Donc je vais garder mes zones que j'avais parce que c'était un range tout le long. Donc what's up, dogs? Been a minute. Hey, what's up, Rages? Y'all make sure to like on your way in. Yes, guys, don't forget to smash that like button as you come in. That'll be really appreciated. I don't ask for much. That's the only thing I ask. All right, so basically, let's go take a look at this. So basically, what this monthly candle, which is fully bullish, we just broke the monthly resistance right now. So this was a pretty heavy level. We did break it, and now we are on our way up. Look at the weekly time frame. So if you look at the weekly time frame, we actually just broke the high of this previous weekly candle, which was super bullish also. So technically, we should continue up. Donc, si on regarde la chandelle de la semaine, on a brisé le haut précédent. Donc, on devrait pouvoir continuer vers le haut. La semaine passée, on était très bullish aussi. Et oui, si on regarde à notre gauche présentement. So on the weekly time frame, we got clean traffic to like 161, 250, something like that. Sounds good. So now let's take a look at the daily time frame. Let's put this bigger. All right. So the daily time frame, yesterday we closed like small doji-ish, bearish candle. Now this new daily candle has a tiny wick to the bottom, broke previous high. Yeah, so I mean, it looks like today we're going up, baby. So yeah, that's gonna be good. And let's take a look at it on the daily on the left, just to have an idea on what's coming up. Yeah, that's going to be far away. Far away. Whoop, right here. Yeah, okay, this is daily support right here. Okay, perfect. So we got to make sure we break this because after that on the daily, we got super clean traffic to, damn. We got this nice wick fill right here. You know what? I'm going to place a line here. I'm going to place this daily wick fill. I'm going to place it, whatever, green. Okay. And after that, we got clean traffic to, what is this? 162,660. Amazing. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la journée, donc, on a le champ libre là, à gauche, là, on a cette mèche-là à remplir. Donc, c'est pour ça que j'ai mis une ligne verte ici. Et après ça, on a le champ libre jusqu'à la prochaine résistance qui est 162, 667, qui est sur le time frame journalier. Donc, sinon, on vient de briser la résistance journalière. Là, il reste à savoir si on va rester au-dessus. Donc, ça m'a l'air très bien. Looking at the 4 hours now. So, 4-hour time frame. Like I said, we just broke this zone right here. This was our consolidation zone. And we just actually broke it. We're breaking this resistance right here, which is a H4 and daily resistance. So, we need to stay above. Donc, on doit rester au-dessus de cette zone-là définitivement. On vient tout juste de briser notre consolidation sur le time frame de 4 heures. So now looking at H1, look at this range. Okay, so finally we did break above. In my book, let's see on the 30-minute. Yeah, in my book, depends on the timing though. What time was that? 5:30. Yeah, I wouldn't have any entry to be honest looking at this. Because this one closed with no top wick, and the next one just shoot up without printing a bottom wick. So yeah, no break and retest. Yeah, no, I wouldn't have any entry. Maybe on this one, but at this stage, at this time, usually volume is slowing down. So yeah, maybe here, but the problem is you're right here, this resistance. So in me personally, I would not have taken this trade. So now let's see, can we get a break and retest and go? That would be great. Yeah, that would be amazing. So that's something I'm going to be waiting. I'm going to be waiting for something like this and to continue up, or I'm going to be waiting for price to come up, form sort of a resistance, come down, form support to go retest the high right here and continue up. So that's something I'm going to be looking at. Yeah, hopefully that makes sense. Let's see if we have any question about that. Donc, on va aller voir si on a des questions à propos de ça. Mais ce que j'attendrais principalement sur le 30 minutes ou sur le 1 heure, j'attendrais un bris et test à nouveau de la zone pour continuer vers le haut, ou j'attendrais de former un nouveau sommet, le prix descendre vers le bas, former un support pour continuer vers le haut. I do not take impulse entry before 8 a.m. This is in my personal rules. So that's why I'm not taking this trade. Plus, we're getting close to this next major QP right here. All right, so let's go check some questions. Do we have any questions here? Okay, Jesse. Yo. What's up, Jesse? Caribbean guy. Okay, let's take a look at this chart. Let's take a look at this chart. Okay, give me one sec, guys. I need to. Something is wrong. I don't see the chart. Hey guys, don't forget to smash that like button. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So next time I go live, you'll know. You'll get notification. Oh. All right, let me fix something here in the chat so I can see. Activate, désactiver les Ah, qu'est-ce que c'est ça? What the hell? What is this? I have no clue what's that. Aha. Here we go. Perfect. Now should be better. Copy. All right, so let's do this. And All right, so this is the chart coming from Caribbean Guy. So let's take a look at this. This is gold US. All right, so this is 30-minute time frame. All right, so price went up. So you use your fib. All right, from there to there, from the beginning of the push to the end of the push. Perfect. You establish your golden zone right here. Buys when price reject and small support in the 61 level. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. I need to go take a look at gold, but just based on that, that would make sense. Now we need to know if there's anything else on the way, but yeah, that makes sense, man. Good job. Actually, let's go take a look at gold. Let me just check the last comments here. Can you break down gold possible buys with new 1 hour and 15-minute support being created? Yeah, we're gonna go take a look at this. Please tell if you use special technique to draw QPs. No, I basically take this horizontal line and I place it on the price. I right click, setting, I go to coordinate, I place my price there, and that's it. No special technique. You have to do it manually. And I log them. So I log them. So when I start fresh, that's why you don't see me erase with the garbage can right here. I erase manually my zone because I don't want to erase all my QPs. So good morning, Jasmine. Good morning. Did you caught GJ Sasha? No, like I just explained earlier, like a couple minutes ago. I mean, first I was sleeping, so that's number one thing. But yeah, I would have entered this trade. I would have an entry for me. No confirmation on my side. All right, so now let's go take a look at gold. So actually, this is the trade I was trying to catch yesterday, and I was trying to install my top tier account, and yeah. So basically, I wasn't ready, but I saw that trade, and I paper traded. This was based on H1, and the reality price did form support at a previous support here on the left. We were creating a support right at the safety net on the fib level, and was expecting price to continue up at this stage after this nice engulfing 1 hour candle. Actually, price went straight up, and yeah, so basically it was pretty nice. Yeah, it went to full TP 60 pips, so pretty nice. All right, so now let's go take a look at this. Oh, we got who is that? Is that Mark the Stash?
Yeah, boy.
Oh shit. Good morning. Let me switch the camera to this.
Hey, il fait noir le matin, hein?
Hey, ça fait longtemps que t'es pas levé à cette heure-là, toi? Hein?
Tabarnak. Ouais, un peu sur le cul.
Ça qui arrive. Hein? All right, let's take a look at gold. Let's remove all this. Perfect. Okay. So if you look at gold, we are, hold on, one second. Let's start with the weekly. All right. So weekly right now, I mean, broke structure right here. Okay. But after that, we came down and created a new low. So, what are we doing? All right. So basically, since we create a new low, we want price to come up, form resistance to continue down. But this is on the weekly time frame. So it can take like maybe a week or two to come up over here from resistance to continue down. So based on that, we know that price needs to continue up in the meantime. But right here on the daily time frame, let's see. So on the daily time frame, we did broke structure right here. So now we create a new high. So like I said, we need price to continue up on the weekly time frame, and daily just broke structure right here. So we create a new high. Now we formed a support. We are forming a support right now as we speak, but it's not confirmed. So if you use your fib from there to there, sorry, from here to here, perfect. And look at this, price did form support right here. I mean, it's not confirmed yet because it's not closed, but if this candle closed like this, support will be formed right at the safety net to continue up. All right, so now looks like we're coming up since we broke previous high, respected previous low. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la journée sur le gold, donc on remarque qu'on a on a brisé la structure en créant un nouveau sommet ici. Donc, on peut établir notre fibre d'ici jusqu'à ici et ça va nous donner la safety net ici, donc le net de sécurité. Si cette chandelle-là ferme comme ça, on devrait être bon pour continuer vers le haut, donc on aura un support de formé. Donc, maintenant, sur le chart de la journée aussi, on a brisé le haut précédent et respecté le bas précédent, donc on devrait continuer vers le haut. Si on regarde le 4 heures, présentement, on est à la hausse, on a le champ libre à gauche, donc on devrait être bon pour continuer sur le 4 heures. On a brisé la résistance, donc on devrait être correct. Now, looking at the H4 time frame, let's do our zones. So this is our last support. And basically, this was the zone on H4. So this was the zone. We finally broke it. And now if you look at this, our next zone, next resistance is going to be up here. All right, awesome. So now let's see. If we do break this H4 high, we should continue up for sure. Let's take a look on H1. Donc, si on brise le haut du 4 heures, on devrait être bon pour continuer vers le haut. On a le champ libre complètement. So we have some clean traffic here to the left. So that's going to be pretty nice. Let's take a look at H1. So H1, we can place our fib. From there to there, we got our golden zone right here. And I'm going to place a black line for my 382 level because I know that gold loves to reject 382. Donc ça, c'est ma zone, ma golden zone. Et j'ai placé la ligne noire pour mon 382 parce que je sais que l'or aime beaucoup rejeter le 382. Donc, on va voir qu'on peut avoir un support de formé autour de cette région. Let's take a look at the 30-minute.
doit bien avoir un golden zone en champ là-dedans.
Ah, je l'ai fait, le golden zone en champ.
Avec le support, c'est
Ouais, de là à là, ouais, c'est super clean. Ça donnerait sur une zone précédente aussi. Ce serait parfait. Looking at 30 minutes. All right, that's good. So as you see, H1 is super clean. On 30-minute, you got couple zone here that we can use as take profit eventually. This is straight. Well, this is gonna be more pinpoint on it. And all right, that's good. So this is the idea for gold. So basically, I'm going to wait for support to be formed around the 382 or golden zone. I'm going to wait for confirmation to continue up. All right. Makes sense. Let's go see if we have any question about that. Joe Gold short. Not personally. I mean, I'm not saying scalp cannot work. Yes, you can grab maybe a couple pip there, but I prefer to go with this trend right now on H1. We're looking on the buy side, so I'm going to wait for support to be formed to continue up and go retest this new high right here. So something I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for price to continue down, form support around this area or the golden zone right here to go up, retest this high, and continue. Hello, boss. Have you seen this monthly candle for GJ? It's so big. I know. I know. And Mark's about to say.
Des lunes listen.
Oh, I was like, he says, have you seen this monthly candle for GG? It's so big.
It is. It is big.
And Mark says, that's what she says.
As well as Bitcoin's monthly.
Can you take a look at EJ? It had a nice volume the last days. Yes, if you send a chart, we're definitely going to take a look at it. I'll draw a QP line. Like I just explained it. Basically, you just need to take your horizontal line and place it on the price that you want. Like here on GJ, you place it like 157.00 is your major QP, and after that is 25 pips increments. So 250, 500, 750, and flat numbers. So you do it manually with your horizontal line, and if I click on the one horizontal line, you see it's locked, so I cannot move it by accident. Apology, gold is long but retracing right now. Exactly, Joe, exactly. GG already high. What do you expect now? I'm expecting a retracement down, form support and go retest the high. Or I want to see a break and retest. Can you break down GU? Yes, if you send a chart, we'll break down GU for sure. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that like button as you come in. Smash it good, boy. I mean, we should be at least at 75 likes right now. I mean, maybe the like button is defect. I don't know what's going on right now, but wake up, guys. Smash that like button. I feel a little retard this morning.
ASMR vibes.
I feel a little retard this morning. Okay, so now let's go take a look at GA. All right, so let's go take a look at GA.
Oh, clean traffic on GA. That's been a while.
Yeah. So here at this double top, I was expecting price to come down in that golden zone, continue up. I guess this double top was way more powerful than what I thought. So yeah, that was pretty nice here. Double top right on a major QP, bam, melt. Okay. So now let's delete our zone and let's go here. All right, so let's take a look at the monthly. Monthly is coming down. I do not look at monthly and weekly that much, just to have an idea on the bigger picture. But weekly right now is like kind of doji-ish, but we are bearish on a retracement right now. So yeah. Let's see. So on the weekly, this did form support right in the golden zone, came down. Now on the weekly time frame, we price smash TP2. So on the way to TP3, we might see some rejection in this area, but all right, let's go see on the daily time frame. All right, so daily time frame basically is looking very nice, actually. Daily time frame is creating new low. So now what you want is price to come up, form resistance to continue down. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart, désolé, j'ai pas fait la semaine, mais c'est pas très important. Je commence à regarder principalement sur le journalier. Donc, sur le journalier, on remarque qu'on a maintenant une tendance à la baisse. On a brisé la structure. Donc, on a brisé la structure ici. On a créé un nouveau bas. Donc, ce qu'on aimerait avoir, c'est le prix qui monte vers le haut un petit peu, former une résistance pour continuer vers le bas. OK? Wow, look at this drop here on the daily. Phew. So that's a lot of fuel right now in this candle to push up. Let's take a look on 4 hours now. Donc, si on regarde sur le 4 heures.
Shampoo pattern. Let's go.
Let's go, shampoo pattern. All right.
Il y a le coup cassé un peu.
Ouais, il y a le coup cassé un peu, ça j'étais pour te dire. Là. All right, so this is our most recent resistance. This is our zone for support. We got another resistance right here, actually. And yeah, all right. So price came down. So now let's see. Depends on how this candle is going to be closing. All right. So how this H4 is going to be closing. If this H4 is closing like this, that means we did form support and now we are creating a higher low. So we're going to take a look at this. So all depends on this 4 hours. Donc ça dépend maintenant de cette 4 heures-là. Si cette 4 heures-là forme un support comme ça, on a formé un bas plus haut. Donc on aurait un changement peut-être de direction, surtout qu'ici on a créé un haut plus haut sur le 4 heures. Donc c'est peut-être notre retracement, là, comme on parlait sur le time frame journalier. So it might be a retracement up that we talked about on the daily time frame. So now let's take a look at H1. So let's adjust the zone right here. Perfect. Let's adjust this over here. That should do it. Perfect. So let's see here. So now we're breaking the safety net. So after that, look like if we're coming back above here, yes, definitely we're gonna take a look at buys on GA. But if we do form resistance, we might retest this low. So we're gonna keep an eye on this. Donc, si on rentre encore une fois dans cette zone-ci, on va définitivement regarder pour un achat parce qu'on va avoir le champ libre à gauche pour aller retester le sommet. Mais si on a une résistance qui se forme ici et qui ferme en dessous de 85 000, qui est le QP majeur, on devrait avoir une chance d'aller retester le bas. So, if we see a resistance form here and the candle close under this major QP, I'm going to take a look at it. But if we do close above this major QP, and especially above this zone, definitely going to go up because most of the time when we break this major QP, we're going to go visit the next major QP. All right, I think that do it. So I guess now it's time for a little bit of music, since we do.
It's time to freaking wait until 10:30 to have
Yeah, I swear to God, I'm about to change the time of this freaking stream. But yeah, it is what it is. Let's go take a look at Forex Factor before we put some music. What we got today? Nothing. Bailey's gonna be speaking, but I don't know. I don't know.
Good morning.
Hey, morning, buddy.
Did they allow EA, bro? Like Magic Kiss?
I don't know. I didn't get the answer. I asked. Yeah, okay. So for people that don't know, we got one of our student actually. I learned that yesterday. We got Dash that works at Top Tier Trader. Um, and I sent a message because someone says they don't allow EAs. I was like, all right, that's fine. Every prop firm don't allow EAs, but they do allow Magic Key, so that's not a problem. And someone sent me a screenshot asking customer service that it was not allowed. So I sent myself a message and I said, can you please ask a manager to take a look at this? Because I mean, every prop firm do accept Magic Key. It's a risk um, management device. And the goal of a prop firm like this is actually to help people get funded using good risk management, right? So why would you stop someone to use a risk management device if you want people to win that much? So I'm just waiting for an answer now. If they do not allow Magic Key, I'm gonna have to ask for a refund. I didn't took any trade yet on this account, so I'm gonna ask them for a refund. And unfortunately, I will not be able to promote that firm because I mean all my students use Magic Key, right? So
Yeah, I have given the feedback on the feedback section. Even I use Magic Kiss. Even if I think myself as a trader, I need that.
I know.
And those people will good trade gold, and even Zub and himself as the US 30 trader, they need it like for the scalper.
Yeah. It will not make sense for them not to accept it. Hopefully it's not a beef between like Q Anthony's and Raja. Hopefully it's not because of that. I don't think it's that because I mean they're business people first, you know. So So hopefully I get an answer today. And if I have to, I'm gonna send a DM directly to Q and Anthony's just to as a last resort, and we'll see. I'm gonna take a look at the answer.
That will be better, bro. Trust me, because that will be better to ask them because they made the rule, you know.
They what? Sorry.
Because they like the order that they are on. Yeah, that will be better if you have direct contact with Anthony and you. Yeah, that will be better.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for that answer and positive or
what I received from my manager. Let me show you. Let me tell you the reply what he said.
because just yesterday I have at least like 6 people who messaged me about that, just on my end.
Yeah.
So I mean, they're losing a lot of people if they don't allow Magic Key.
That makes no sense at all.
No, it doesn't make sense. It's like I understand EAs that trade for use. That I totally agree. But I will not consider like Magic Key as a EAs.
Yeah, what I can see that Magic Key utilizes on EA, so it's not allowed. That's what I received.
Yeah, that's what they're saying, but do they know exactly what it is? That's the question.
Yeah, so far the thing is that it's order from the owners. So yeah, if you get the access to them, yeah, it will be better.
Yeah, no, definitely. I'm just gonna wait for the answer and I'm gonna message them. Because I didn't get any because there's a one guy who answered me after you, and I sent another message. I said, please forward that to a manager, like a superior. Actually, let me go find this message that I had here. All right, so now let's put some music. Let's put some music. Let's put some music.
D'après moi, JJ, là, ça va être un overshot sur 750. On va retracer un peu vers 500. Après ça, repartir.
Ouais, ça se peut très bien.
Là, on a close doji, fait qu'on voit que le momentum, il ralentit un peu.
Yeah. Ouais, ça fait du sens. So, yeah, makes sense, Mark. Mark says we might see an overshot here around 750. Around 250, you mean?
750.
Oh, 750 is no overshot. 250 will be the overshot.
Alright. Mais tu sais, c'est ça. On a close doji, fait que notre momentum,
Ouais. Non, il meurt. Là. Yeah, because this 7 a.m. candle, as Mark pointed, closed like doji, so you can see the volume is slowly dying. So we might see a retracement down, form support to continue up, right? So right now, when you see a small body candle like this, don't get excited. Just relax, wait for the next one. Let's go see if we have any question here. Smash the like button, sir. Yeah, thank you, Naman. Thank you. Very appreciate. Yeah, we should be at 75 likes in no time right now. Come on, smash it. Um, FTMO allows EAs. Yes, we do. We do. Not we. They do. Sorry. Yeah, funding talent was also accepting Magic Key. My Forex found also someone told me that they are accepting Magic Key also. So yeah. And alert said like funding talent in the rules was saying no EAs, but they were actually accepting Magic Key. Had alert set for buys, but the stop would have been too big for me to take an insurance. Oh, okay, you're talking about GJ, right? Okay. Are you using funding account now? No, I use my personal account, but I decided to test a platform for my students. And for some people that asked me another safe place to get funded, I was using funding talent account for a while, like way back. But like almost a year and a half ago, I closed it and just traded my own capital. So right now, just want to find since the funding talent fiasco, I'm just trying to find another place for my students and for other people that wants to be funded, right? Um, bro, can I open a sell position on yesterday? Is it safe? I don't know. You didn't send a chart, so I have no clue because I don't look at US 30. So if you send me a chart, we'll take a look at it. The prop trading. What's up, Scalper Joe? Weren't you trying FTMO like 2 weeks ago? Did you give up on FTMO? No, I did try FTMO. It was the free version though. I was just looking at their platform, see the spread. I actually did pass that test challenge in 5 days. Um, the reality is I was actually trying to register for FTMO, but I was not able to do the payment with my credit card here in Canada. They consider trading like gambling, so they kind of blocked the transaction. I called FTMO, not called. I sent it a message to FTMO. I was like, all right, so how can I do this? I just don't want to pay fee because they were accepting crypto, but with 3% fee. And I'm a cheap ass bastard. I hate to pay fees when there's an option to pay with no fee. And top tier trading was offering crypto with no fee. So I was like, all right, fuck it. I'm gonna go try it. And I also had like a 15% discount code with QBank since I was in Wall Street Academy. So yeah. But if they do not allow Magic Key, I'm gonna have to ask them a refund and go with FTMO.
C'est comme genre pas donner de crayon à tes employés, tu sais.
Ouais, non, ça fait comme pas de sens.
Débrouille-toi.
The Fires is good. Yes, I heard good comments also. Let me actually send Sorry, I'm actually writing to Anthony's word right now. Um,
Bon, j'ai dit on est rendu à 158, let's go. Je sais pas qu'est-ce qui fait qu'on est autant bullish depuis genre la dernière semaine, ça n'a pas de sens.
Je sais vraiment pas.
Niveau fondamental, hein.
All right, so let me send the same message to Q. There you go, message sent. So we'll wait for the answer. All right. Okay, let's get back to business. 50 likes. All right, first TP hit on the like level. Let's get to 100, man. Let's get to 100. All right, so if we get to 100, we're going to draw some zoom axis. I think today we can reach 125. But let's set up a goal. If we do reach 100, we're going to draw some zoom axis. We're going to draw. If we do 100, I'm going to draw three zoom axis. If we do 125, we'll draw 5 axis. What about that? What about that? What about that? Come on. Let's do it. All right, let's check the next message. I tried my best to explain, but basically I'm expecting a short time bearish pull to retest 130 since the current high is a very strong resistance and hardly which pair are you talking about? Yeah, so that's why, Lowy, it's better to send a chart because just explanation like that. I mean, I'm a visual guy. I'm gonna have a really hard time. So if you share your chart, it will be easier. Put some annotation on your chart, and that's gonna be perfect. Sorry, man, it's gonna be really, 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 really hard to. Oh, actually, you send your chart. Sorry, I didn't saw that. Let's go take a look at it. Oh, I don't think that link's gonna work. So how to do this is basically you click on copy link to the chart, and when you're about to paste it, you need to remove all this, and you just keep the \x to the rest because the link you sent is not gonna work. Sorry, which company doesn't accept to use magic keys? Top tier traders. So far. So we're waiting for answer for Superior. But so far, yeah. So that's why now I'm not trading on the account. I didn't took any trade on the account yet. So I'm just gonna wait for the confirmation. Oh boy. Wait a second. Someone's excited about Doge. Let me go check Doge. Oh, no excitement there. Why people are excited? Oh, because of this push? Oh man, it was like at my entry price. He touched my entry price. God damn it. Yeah. Need a solid bull run on this shit. What about this guy here? Okay, okay, okay. Cool. All right, so this 30-minute just closed here. 30-minute just closed on GJ. We closed like bullish. We went and tapped almost 158 major QP. We rejected it, so I'm still waiting for confirmation here. Let's take a look at gold. Gold 30-minute close, bearish doji. Looks like we're rejecting this 382 level. All right, let's take a look at GA. GA is rejecting the 250 QP right now, so we'll see how it goes. All right, so plan still in motion. We're waiting for confirmations. Uh, like, Iggy Carey. Yeah, thank you, thank you. Yeah, let's reach 100 likes. We're gonna draw 3 free access for Zoom for 1 week. What about 200 Zoom access? Yeah. Let me think about it. Not. Let's see. Admin permission to ask which pair are you trading? And what are your plans? Sorry, I'm just a newbie from Indonesia. Hey, welcome. First of all, welcome to the channel. By the way, if there's anyone, any of you that are new here, welcome. Don't forget to smash the like button, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 4,000, so that'll be great. But basically, I do trade GJ, gold, and GA. That's the three main pair I do trade actively. I backtest different pairs on swing trade also. But yeah. And what are my plans? We just talk about it. So if you rewind the stream at the beginning, you'll hear the breakdown, and you will hear exactly what I'm looking for for the trade. Um, 116 people, 116 likes. Yes, that should do it. We should be able to do that.
Good, right?
Yes. Yeah, Lawi, you sent a chart, but the link is not working. So, like I said, you need to copy link, and you need to erase the first part. Keep only the \s to the other backslash. Trade with the pack. Are you trading with FTMO? Not yet. I'm trading with top tier traders, but I didn't took any trade yet because apparently they are not accepting Magic Key. So I'm waiting for confirmation for them, because if they do not accept, I'm gonna have to ask for refund and go with FTMO. Do you still keep in touch with Raja? Yeah, sometimes. Now it's been a while though. I'm not gonna lie. Now it's been a while we didn't talk. Since he moved over there, I mean, yeah, we're in the different time zone, so I guess. GCAD look good. Yeah, I didn't look at GCAD. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes, Lowy. So I'm gonna take a look at that chart. Dun, dun, dun. Let's go take a look at this. So it's Q Q G W F. Huh. Okay. Let's do that again. So U Q G W F. Oh, it's an I. My bad. It's a D. Here we go. All right, cool. All right, let's go take a look at this. So this is EJ. All right, so EJ. Oh, we got some Elliott waves here. Um, all right, so let's go. Perfect. Price up. E. Okay, yeah, you got your A B C D E. A B C. I look like I'm doing my preschool. A B C D E. What's after E? It's F. Great. On retracement, I'm trying to catch. Yeah, that would make sense. I think also if you place your fib from there to there, you should have a retracement around this area to continue up. So extended double bottom. Yeah. So your neckline was right here. I think an entry was possible right here. But yeah, if you wait for the retracement here, push up. Yeah, that will make sense. Definitely. This is what, 4 hours? Oh yeah, okay. So that can happen like only tomorrow. But let's actually go check the live chart. Um, I don't even have EG. Oh yes, I do have EG. So this, if it was me trading EJ, the fuck. But the thing right now is you can't even place your fib here. You don't have a resistance for him. Because here was no retracement. Like let's check it out. From there to there. Yeah, no retracement. From there to there. Oh yeah, actually I have a retracement from there to there. No. No, sorry. So what am I talking about? Price retrace right here. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. There's no way I can place my fib here. Let's take a look on the daily. Daily is straight bullish. Wow, after that is Jesus. Far, far away. It's so dark outside, it feel like it's freaking 5 a.m. in the morning.
It's pretty depressive. Alors, on va changer l'heure bien vite, là. Je me rappelle plus c'est quand. Mois de novembre, genre.
Ouais. Quelque chose comme ça, là. Quelque chose comme ça, le grand.
Boring morning,
Yep. Yeah, so right now, I mean, you want to see a break and retest to continue up on this stage, or you definitely want to wait for that retracement down. Yep. Makes sense.
Gotta wait, gotta wait.
Gotta wait, gotta wait. Okay, let's go see some questions. AUD is the long retracing right now, waiting for end of retracing. All right, great. But again, if you send a chart, we're gonna take a look at it. How long did it took you to be consistently profitable, and how long are you trading so far? Man, I'm so bad with timing, to be honest. I have a hard time remembering my age, but I would say it's been almost 4 years. And it took me like a good year and a half to be consistent, to be honest. Yeah, it took me like good year and a half. But if you want to hear the story, you can also go right here. You can go on YouTube, you can go on Trading Nuts. and we recorded a podcast right here. Hold on. We recorded a podcast right here. Where is it? Right here. So right here, here's the podcast. You can listen to it on Spotify, on YouTube, and we also shot a video after that while I explain like a GA trade that I took. Yeah, so you can take a look at that if you want to hear the full story, when I started, how, and when. So everything's in there. No retracement, no entry, good rule. No. Yes, it's actually a good rule. Yeah. It all depends, man. You gotta find stuff that works for you guys. There's no magic way to trade. There's no one way and only way to trade. There's many good ways on looking at the chart. It just depends on what's been working for you, and just focus on that. Focus on the same stuff over and over again. You know, there's people trying different strategy, and after 3 weeks, man, this doesn't work, right? You gotta give it time. You gotta give it time. You gotta give it like months, before saying, yeah, this doesn't work for me. Me, the 15 minutes, like it took me like almost a year to say, all right, no more 15 minutes. Now I'm only trading on 30 minutes because I was getting too much losses out of it. Gold. Oh, what about gold? Yeah, great. We're forming that support now. Cool. Perfect. Baby, okay, you are getting kicked. Damn. Gotta wait for an of retracement, right? Yes. The flip on the 4-hour candle on gold plus NY open in 15 makes a lot of sense to continue bullish. Definitely, yes. That's something I'm going to be looking at. Yeah, especially after a nice rejection to the downside like this. This is, I like this. Let's actually put an alert here. But definitely, if we do break, I'm going to put green line here. It's going to be the H4 high. Yeah, it makes sense. Hi, Sasha. I've watched that podcast and it's really motivational. Nice job. Oh, thank you very much. Very appreciated, man. Thank you, sir. Welcome. Your trading style is very good. I love it. Oh, thank you, Annan. Thank you. Thank you. Gold by now. Adjustments finished now. Okay. Joe, please just don't do comments like that. If you want to send something, just send something with a chart, because telling people to buy something with nothing to confirmation, no confirmation, nothing, send something. Because just writing comments on the chat doesn't help anyone. The goal of this stream is to help people. So if you want to help me helping people, send a chart, right? Ryan Winter making you slack. Sorry, man. I was late on the comment here. That's very interesting. This also opened the market for them to release their version on a screen device. These oaks are miles ahead, and I was thinking next step. Yes. Oh yeah, yeah. You're right, Brian. All right. So we got a chart here coming up. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. So this one is Oops. All right, so 2 Z 6 0. Non, O P. All right. This is GU. All right, GU. Let's see. I will wait for retracement for support forming. No trade zone due to small range and consolidation. Yeah, at this stage on GU, like you said, like you see, price went up. Now we form resistance. What you want is price to come down, form support to go retest the high, right? So it's either that or you wait. So if you see this, if this is a zone of resistance right here, so I don't know because I didn't look at the chart on the left, but if your yellow line is a resistance, you want to see price to break the zone, retest the zone, and continue up. Very simple. No funky stuff. No funky stuff. Hey Sasha, I missed the buys on GJ. Should I wait for retracement and support? Of course. You should never jump into a trade just because it's bullish and you see movement. I missed the trade also, but now looking at it, there's no way. Okay, so let's do this together while we all wait for confirmations. Okay, so let's go on the 30-minute time frame. So we're going to do this very simple. So we're going 30-minute and we're going to use the replay mode and we're going to use this. Okay, so perfect. So now let's say you don't have the information we have in the future right now. Okay, so right now looking at this, is there any way I can take a safe trade here?
No.
The answer is no. Okay, so now let's wait for the next candle. So now, is there any way I can take a trade? No, we're still in that fucking range. All right, so now we got a breaking candle. Is there any ways, because this is 5 a.m. Eastern, right? So is there any way I can take that trade? Maybe on this one. Maybe this one because based on volume time, but the reality is around 5 a.m. usually volumes start to slow down after this candle, and this candle printed with no top wick, but I don't know how it was printing as it was going. So it was pushing really hard in the end. It might be tempting, but the problem is look at next candle. Next candle didn't print a bottom wing, it just shoot up. So for me, in my rules, there's no fucking way I'm going to take that trade because I'm waiting for break and retest or dogtail setup in this cage. So there's no possible entry. So, when you trade with rules, this is the best way to trade, by the way. I'm not saying it's the best strategy. I'm just saying setting up rules for yourself will avoid stupid and dumb trades. But sometimes you'll be also missing some move. You got to be okay with that. So when you miss a move, go back on the chart and go take a look at how can I take that trade? Can I take that trade? Would I have taken that trade? If yes, how? So. Hi Sasha, can you help get over this psychology issue that I have, please? Well, what is it? Wait, are you waiting for GJ? Well, I'm waiting for tons of stuff. Yes. Trade with the pack. Yes. Hello. Joe, where is your entry, stop, and target? Oh, okay. Morning dogs. Today is a big day. Is ETF Bitcoin day. Oh, cool. Can you issue I have when seeing the chart, please? Well, what is your issue, dude? Stop asking if I can help if you don't explain your issue. When I was a little, my dad touched. Oh, okay, dude. Okay, please. I will ask you to stop.
Coaching Klaus.
Yeah. Next thing like this is gonna be removed. Yeah, this stream is to help people. So if you have nothing good to say, please just you can leave. Say it. Oh, sorry, I don't understand that language. Sorry, bud. Focus on stable money, not quick money. Definitely. The news with GJ has been mixed this month. What do you feel is driving the price to from 152 to 157? To be honest, I have no clue, man. I'm gonna have to investigate on that. I can hold profit position. This really shook my feeling of dread. Please guide me, sir. I can't hold profit position. I mean, you gotta set up targets. You gotta set up targets. I mean, when you enter a trade, you should know exactly where's your exit. You know, if you're entering a trade and you don't know where's your stop loss and where's your take profit, I mean, don't take the trade. It's really important. Um, yeah, you're right, Dan. Trade with the pack. Do you close position before hitting stop or just trust your stops? I will reduce my risk as a goal. Yes, I will. I will cut my risk in half, maybe. Depends if I have a confirmation. I mean, in my book, if you're not okay, let's say you're in a buy. Okay, so let's say you buy. If you're in a buy and price going against you, and for some reason you want to cut it fully, the question you should ask yourself, and this is really important, is would I sell there? And if the answer is no, hold the position. That makes sense. Right, Mark?
Yep. Makes a lot of sense.
Gigs on God is. Would you say if GJ come back now for a retest, you will take buy to retest the high made? Yes, correct.
Of course, man. That is what we want.
Yes.
Golden setup.
Yes, boy. So right now, I mean, this candle just flipped bearish.
Closes in 2 minutes. So after that, we can pull out our fibs and make our golden zone.
Exactly.
To the 500 area, I guess. Let me check.
Additionally, did anyone else grab that gold trade on the higher low from 1763, 17? Not on my end, sorry. Nope, not on my end. Did a paper trade yesterday. It was pretty good, but except that, nothing. Sorry, Sasha. It was a joke. That was too far. I'm sorry. Okay, no, that's not a problem. If it was a joke, that's fine. I thought you were like fucking around with me.
Parce qu'il y en a pas mal du monde d'abord.
Ouais, c'est ça. Qu'est-ce que t'en as dit? Je t'ai coupé.
Moi, je pense qu'on peut juste pull back 750. C'est déjà une grosse zone. Là.
Ouais.
Ben d'accord. Notre golden zone est genre.
Elle est en dessous de la zone, ouais, c'est ça.
Je pense pas que dans la session qu'on est, on peut retrace aussi.
Je pense pas, moi non plus. Je pense à break and retest. If you look at DTF on GJ, we have broken minor downtrend. We could see 160 till the end of the month. But first, I think we have to retest 156. Yeah, correct. Yeah, that's possible. But on a long term, like probably in the next week or so. But right now, the price is so bullish. Sharif, ça va, Sacha? Ça va très bien toi-même? Okay. I totally agree with the GJ analysis. I was watching it live, and even though it closed above the range with no wick, I was going to get it on the next candle and make liquidity wick first. Yeah, exactly, man. Exactly. I think you have graduated. What? Trade with the pack. I think you have graduated, Sasha. Some of Raja's gulag seems to have arrived here. um. Wig, I have no stop loss, no target. I follow the trend, exit when the trend reverse. Yeah, that's the best way to go nowhere. It's like jumping in your car and going somewhere, but you have no plan. So, sorry, Joe. You need a plan, man. You need a plan. You need to plan your trade. Um, and again, maybe I'm wrong, but for me, having a plan works pretty well. And I would say that most trader that I know that's very profitable, when they enter a trade, they have a plan. They have an idea on where they're going to be exiting and where's the stop loss. So for a 10 pips stop loss, where will you start scaling position? This is number one problem for my chicken. Okay, so first of all, if you're going for 10 pips stop loss, you should secure profit. Let's say, I don't know, at least minimum 1 to 1. I would personally go for 15, at least like a 1.5. So 10 pips stop loss, I will secure probably like 80% at 15 pips and let it run and run. But this is me. Um,
Si on n'a pas close un gros bearish, ça va.
All right, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. If we reach 100 likes, I'm gonna give away 3 free access for our Zoom session next week for 1 week. So we're gonna draw that at the end of the stream. If we do reach 100, if we do reach 125, I'm gonna give 5 access. GJ, if GG close in previous range, is it good to take sells? I will not take sells personally. I'm an FTMO trader. I'm 7.2% down on my account. I only have 2.8% left before they take the account away from me. Shall I YOLO and try to make it all back or spend 2 months making small trades? Shall I YOLO and try to make it? No, man. Well, it depends on how much time you have, right? How much time you have. And you know what? Just the problem with a lot of people is like when you're in profit, you don't secure profits and you're gonna let it down after, right? So make sure you secure profits, guys. Nothing is wrong with securing profits. What's your trading plan? Break and retest on 30-minute, 1 hour. This one, yes. But if we do break, I'm gonna wait. If we're just pushing up, I'm gonna wait to break the major QP because major QP is really strong. I don't want to enter at this stage right here once I got this major QP right in my face because this can be a reversal big time. And look at that small body bearish, small doji bearish candle right now that just closed. Let's go take a look at H1. H1 closed small body bullish. So you can see that now the movement up is fading out. So
Ça ressemble à un tops.
what? Sasha, I went into a girl live stream, asked here if she's Raja student, and she blocked me. Okay. That's weird. Very weird. Gold plus 60 pips so far. Good job, Joe. Sir, when will you enter gold buys? When I'm gonna have confirmations. So basically right now, I mean, yes, there's a nice support form here on H1. It will make sense, it would be a nice buy, but the problem is I got this resistance right in my face. So I'm gonna wait for price to break H4 high and write it up. H4 high is the green line, or I'm gonna wait for something to break and retest this zone, right? Actually, let's adjust this to the H1 zone. Yeah, we're right at H1 resistance, so I definitely want to see something, But yeah, I mean, it can work. You got a lot of power from that liquidity wick right here. And this is NY open in 27 minutes, so should have some volume coming in, but I'm personally going to be waiting for the break above. Now I'm watching the comments, and I think people are not serious to get free knowledge, sir. You have to remove these idiots.
Yep.
Yeah, look, there are always going to be some idiots. Goodbye seems good in NYC. Yes, definitely with volume, Jasmine. Yeah. La session asiatique a été vraiment bonne. Oui, Sharif, bizarrement, et c'est très rare, mais oui. Bizarrement. C'est très rare qu'il y ait une bonne session asiatique. Mais oui, dernièrement, il y a eu peut-être 2 ou 3 bonnes sessions asiatiques.
Ça me donne quand même pas le goût de retourner trader ça.
Non, non, Chris, non. Ouais. All right, guys, don't forget to smash that like button as you come in. Smash that like button, guys. I guess it's time for pre-market fuel soon.
It is.
It is time for pre-market fuel. What time is it? It's 8:00. It's time for pre-market fuel. Oh shit! Got an answer here. So system can determine the difference in EA. Is there not? Oh.
Oh, gold is crossing. Sancho boy, come on, click.
Click. Let's wait and see. Wait a second. H4 highs there. Okay. So waiting to break the H4 highs. I'm going to place another alert. So look like their system is not able to see the difference between Magic Key and EAs. So
Why, man?
that's so weird.
Why?
All right. Hey Dash, are you still here? Dash.
Yes, bro. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah.
Okay, so Anthony's replied me.
What is it?
He said, unfortunately, system cannot determine the difference in EAs. So since the systems doesn't allow EAs, he's not able to see the difference between Magic Key and regular EAs. Yeah, that's a bummer.
Because if you were a developer, you could design your own EA, right?
Yeah.
And exactly as I said, they're not going to know what type of EA it is that's being installed on that platform. So that's why they're stopping short of that.
Yeah, but funding talent as the same thing. EAs was not allowed, but Magic Key was allowed. And my Forex found EAs are not allowed in the accept Magic Key. So I'm like, how they do it, you know? FTMO does allow EAs though, so that's different.
But then maybe it is on that lines of the new thing.
Yeah.
Magic Key.
Must be a way to figure it out, but so Dash, if I send a message to request a refund, are you gonna grab that?
After 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I will do on my shift.
All right, in 40 minutes? Okay, I'll do it. Yeah, that sucks.
That's a bummer.
That's a bummer.
Hashtag not top tier.
Yeah, hashtag no top tier.
It's their rules, right? So it is what it is.
Yeah, I mean, it's nothing wrong. It's their rules, right? So, but when I saw no EAs, to be honest, I was like, yeah, like the other one says no EAs, but Magic Key's always accepted. So I was like, that's not a problem. Until someone actually messaged me, and say, hey man, look like Magic Key is definitely prohibited. I'm like, what? No, that's not possible.
Maybe they don't like EAs on demo accounts.
Yeah.
GG vient de frapper 158.
Gold is pushing. All right, so GJ is pushing to that major QP.
Make sure you give them a review, bro, about what your strength, trade, and all. This is important, yeah. Make sure you say anything, yeah.
Oh, click, click, click. All right, so I just opened in one position right now on gold.
Ça se passe.
Ça se passe en esti. So my price is 1783.12, 1783. 1783.12. 12, kind of right here. Stop is 1779.50. 1779. Oops. 1779.50. Kind of right here. Perfect. Let's go, baby.
Let's go.
So first target. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. First target is going to be this zone on 30-minute.
Ah, puis c'est vrai, il y avait les grosses news à 8h30.
Crise de merde. T'es sérieux?
Alors, je te laisse.
Ça l'a pas. T'étais vraiment un enfoiré. Ça a fait comme. T'es vraiment un enfoiré. Hein? Alright, so let's go, baby. Let's push. All right, let's see some comments. Questions. Let's see. GA in break and retest for buys. GA, I want to be for buys. I want to be above 250. Hey guys, if gold doesn't make a double top here, can you long trade to the next key area? Don't miss out. Yes, I took a buy breaking the H4 high. Double top on gold. Yeah, but it's breaking now. So with the volume right now with NY open coming up, when you break H4 high, this is something I backtested a lot, and usually it just flies. All right, right now looking at 13 pips profit. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. 13 pips. Let's go. In fact, I'm just going to wait for price to close above 1782. Yes, that's perfect, man. Otherwise, I'm going short on the first engulfing candle. Okay. Sounds like it's BS to me. Oh, you're talking about the magic key? Okay. Is this company Forex company or funding company? We're talking about the funding company, top tier trader that does not allow magic key. Time to sell for me potentially. All right. GJ is flying. GJ is flying. Really? Well, we need to break 158 major QP now. So.
On n'est pas sorti du pool.
Don't get mad at me, but I really think a long entry should have been the engulfing bull candle just before. Yeah, that makes sense. But again, it was just before the resistance. So for me, it was like, too risky. Bam, bam, bam. All right, so I got stopped at break even.
On gold?
Yeah, on gold got stopped at break even. I did secure like 50% at 13 pips and got out at break even.
Damn, that was quick.
That was quick, in and out. Bing, bang.
GG crossing 158, goddamn.
Yes, sir. There's volume is very crazy.
We just don't want to retrace down.
Do you still put SL to B when your SL is 30 pips on gold? Do you still put SL to B when your SL is 30 pips on gold? Not sure I'm getting the question. Do you still? I basically, when I secure profits, I move my stop to break even. So right now I secured some profit because the profit was really nice. Because I upped my lot size a little bit, so profit was really nice. I decided to secure some profits. Didn't took any trade yesterday. I was feeling to put some money in my bank. So
First trade of the week.
first trade of the week got to be a win. So I just didn't hold and just close. That's all good, man. There's no such thing as you gotta reach that amount of pip to secure profits. Like fuck it. Now I just secure profits. 1788. Probably after a break and retest, to be honest. Hey, do you usually take impulse entry or wait to? It depends on the timing. Timing is everything.
Mm-hmm.
Gold stop at break even. Yes, correct. Again, yes. Or wait to get a close. Like I said, it depends. This is what I'm talking about. Institution manipulate gold at areas people think will break easy, creating long waits. That's fine. You just get to secure profits quick. If you have a 30 pips stop loss, do you still secure profits at 15 pips? Oh, I see. Again, it all depends. Like this now, I had can't remember how much was my stop, but I saw some very nice profits and decided to secure. So yeah, it just depends. I manage my trade, right? So if I see trade coming down against me, I'm gonna cut my losses short. So suddenly my stop loss at 30 pips is not that much. Okay, so now let's go see check the 4-hour candle on GJ. On GJ 4-hour candle, let's take a look at it. Holy, yeah, it's massive. Massive.
Consolidation, breakout, boom.
Massive 4-hour. And this 4-hour is about to close in 40 minutes. We are about to enter NY Open in 7 minutes. Can we have a break above one? If we have a break above 158, probably going to be able to use the dogtail setup. But again, I don't want to be buying a top also, so I got to be careful.
Yeah. That's another thing.
But we might push up to 250, have an overshot level, and start rejecting this area. So we still have a couple of pips up to grab, and yeah.
Holy, what a rejection on gold.
Yeah, that's what I always tell people on gold. You got to secure profit. Yeah. Like when you see your trades in profit, just fucking close it. Just like 15, 13, 15 pips. Bam. If you do that consistently every day, man, it's good.
It's crazy over the last 2 weeks how we've all had to put new QPs on our charts.
The what? Sorry?
It's amazing how we've all had to put new QPs on our charts.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, what's going on with music? What about GA? G is back in that range. This should be a no trade range. No, there's no news. No news with gold. Just like gold is doing his thing. All right, so we got a chart from Danny. Let's take a look at it. So this is WW59 TUI6. We'll go. Perfect. GJ trade. Let's take a look at this. 30 minutes. All right, so this is actually a nice label chart. Thank you, Danny. This is pretty good. Price form resistance right here. Okay. Number 2, bearish candle respected last candle. Okay. And post entry as the trend is bullish plus candle respected bearish candle low and broke its own high, expecting volume plus trend to push up price. That's great. Close 95%, let the runner run, as these are late buys, so I do not want to leave more percentage running. That's perfect, man. Runner will be left to run to fill wick and daily time frame. Amazing, good trade, man. Pretty good. Pretty good. Hey, what's up, dog? My dogs just opened up my door and they're saying, "Yo, daddy, I need to go pee." So before NY, oh shit, this is actually NY open now. So let me just check something. All right, so 30 minute is closing in 30 seconds. All right, so we got 30 seconds. Joe did not exit gold, trend still up, added one more position long. Okay. Yeah, be careful there because when gold does nasty stuff, it can take all your money. So, but hey, good luck. All right, so now let's take a look at GJ. GJ did close right above 158 major QP. All right, sounds good. So now for me to take a buy here, I need a wick form. Like we're gonna create that tail, and once we're gonna be breaking the high, I'm gonna get the entry on with the dogtail setup. But I'm only gonna go with 1%, and the reason why is I don't want to be in a buy where we're in a top, right? So that's why I'm only gonna be risking 1% of that one. Now exit with loss. Yeah, exactly, Joe. Exactly. So this is why you need a plan, bro. Come on, man. Trailer the pack. Giving that man a free zoom. Yeah, man. We need 100 likes, guys. Come on. Yeah, gold always does that. Always. When you watch gold doing it, always. Now gold is creating the top wick, so if we do break the low here, probably continue down to this golden zone. We rejected really hard this level, so. And this 4 hour just flipped bearish. So if this 4 hour closed bearish, there's gonna be a big chance for next candle to start coming down to this golden zone area. If we do form resistance here, this fib is going to be valid. But until then, this fib is not valid. G is still there. Okay. GJ. Sometimes I'm scared that the pre-market madness is a setup created by a decision. Yeah, nah, don't think too much, bro. Don't think too much. There is 2 USD yellow folder news came. Yeah, yellow folder shouldn't move that much, to be honest. Hey Sasha, how do you draw your TP on GJ as we broke all highs, even H previous don't show up on trading view? Oh, you need to go on a higher time frame. But sometimes I'm going to use, for TPs, I'm going to use my fib extension or my QPs. Yes. Like in this case, the next area is like right here, but I'm going to be securing profits at 250 because I know 250 can be an overshot level. So we might see some reversal around this area. All right, I'll go pick up my pre-market fuel. I'll get the dog out and let me place an alert here. All right, I'll be right back, guys. All right, all right, all right. Let's get back to business.
Back, hey, une chance 158 qui est là pour nous freiner.
Chance, hein?
Sinon, on aurait continué encore et encore.
Yeah, like Mark says, thanks for the major QP to stop us for taking a stupid, dumbass buy.
Là, au moins, on va avoir un retracement. We took a buy on TJ.
No. Oh, you took a buy on GJ?
No, I'm asking you. I want someone to buy on TJ.
No. No one took a buy. Oh, Simba. Oh, what? Oh, I thought it was a chart, Simba. Sorry, I'm gonna go take a look at that later on. Gold is doing somersault. Oh yeah, gold is doing what gold does. You know. Anyone do scalping? Oh, you mean scalping? Oh. What's the best lot size for 5 minutes? It's scalping, not scalping. Scalping. The best lot size for 5 minutes scalping. I mean, this question that tells me that you don't know anything about Forex. So the thing is, you should start before putting any money on the market. You should go to babypips.com. You go there, you go on education, how to trade Forex, and you need to read preschool, kindergarten, and elementary at least. So you're gonna understand how to calculate a lot size. This is really important. People put money in this Forex market without knowing shit. So you got to be careful. All right, so now let's get back to business because this is pre-market fuel, baby. Boo, 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 boo. All right, so you open up your little thing there, and if you can see some, oops, I just put some pre-market fuel on my computer. Man, this thing's gonna rock. And you drop 1 scoop in this. Pretty simple. A lot of water, a lot of ice, and you gotta shake it like there's no tomorrow. You gotta shake what your mama gave you. Oh non, fais-moi pas ça. Fais-moi pas ça, là. Laisse-moi pas comme ça. J'aime pas ça quand tu fais ça. Alright, ciao. Même bat chaîne, même bat heure. Ciao. Oh, Brian says the biggest you can afford in 5 minutes, LOL. You just keep clicking buy till your broker stop you. That's actually a good idea. Oh, Sashi. Oh, that's funny. I know it's dangerous, but what price would make sense for aggressive GJ sell? Well, you want at least a 30-minute close, bearish engulfing. So, shake, senora. Shake your body, man. Okay. I'm pretty sure I said that before, but in another life, I'm probably a bartender or something. Just look at this. I got some style. Or I think I got some style. Hey, cheers, guys. Pre-market fuel. Cheers. Hell yeah. Oh, cheers, Sasha. While I drink mine as well, while enjoying your stream. Let's go, FX Dogs. Let's go. Cheers. Cheers, pre-market fuel. All right. Actually, let's move this over here. And let's change that for that. Oh, that's going to be better like this. Now I can see. I didn't even see if I was doing a cheers to the right camera. So let's do this again, pre-market fuel. Cheers, pre-market fuel. Excellent. Woo. All right, so gold is pushing back up. 4 hour is closing in 13 minutes, and it looks like it's going to be closing doji like that right now. So I need to push up. GJ is what the fuck? Okay. What about GA? GA still playing games. All right, so we're missing like 14 likes to reach 100 likes. Can we do it? Paul, hey Sasha, is your course all paid up front? All paid up front or monthly? And how much? And how much 121 time is there? Or is this just a bunch of video to watch? Thanks and love your stream. How much? 121 time? What's 121 time? But yes, it's a one-time payment. And it's 499 USD. I mean, all the information is here. Right here. So all the info is here. You click there, and that should bring the payment. Yes, right here. So basically, there's tons of videos. There's simulations. This is my last weekend of paintball this weekend, and after that, we're gonna start back our simulation, our group training, everything in there. I do one-on-ones. So yeah, everything's included at that price, so it's pretty cheap. And I do trade live with my students every day. Yeah, this is not monthly. I don't believe in monthly, but it's not because I don't believe. I just think it's a way to grab money from people, and that's not my goal here. I mean, if I charge monthly, I would have to charge what, 150 per month. I mean, after 2 or 3 months, I mean, doesn't make sense, doesn't make sense. Now you got 4.9, it's lifetime, so easy shit. Yes, one-on-one time. Yes, correct. Yes, we do that. Yes. Oh yeah, 1-2-1. Oh, sorry, man. Pre-market, if you didn't kick in yet. It's coming up. Sorry about that, man. Bang, 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 bang. I have another glass. I must start by finishing this one, and it's already kicking in now. So what the fuck is it?
Sasha, are you only looking for buys on GJ?
Let me see. Just finishing up a message right here. Okay. For GJ.
I'm fully bullish on GJ. I'm just
Oh yeah.
The 1 hour, let me just check 1 hour. Rejecting the
Like-
major QP. So Dogtail could look nice, you know, but I'm also only still just saying it could work.
It all depends. It all depends. And this is a good question. So yes, a counter trend trade can work here, but I will need this candle to close under here, because this zone is a previous zone to the left, and it might be break, retest, and go. So for me to take a sell, I want to see something closing back in this range. I'm gonna have to clean traffic to go to my golden zone, and I'm gonna exit my golden zone. So yes, this might work. If G close under the major QP, that can be good also. Right at the safety net. Bing.
I think everyone's computer makes it like that.
We all know that sound. It's the full margin sound, right?
That's right. Do you ever hear your MT5 or your MT4 like losing connection at night when you're sleeping? Or do you close your office door?
Did I lose connection on MT4?
Yeah, like sometimes like with my Wi-Fi, my MT5 will lose connection.
Yeah.
Like sometimes.
Yeah, that happened a couple times. But with Vantage FX, at the end, it was totally brutal. Like, it was like keep on losing connection. It was like Brutal. But with Black Bull, only happened a couple of times, just there and there. So far so good. So I know it can be internet connection issue, but it can be also a broker issue. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. All right, so we got 1 minute left for this H4 candle. Really look like it's going to be closing above 750. Gold's about to close. Oh, doji. Wah, wah, wah. Gold GA is about to close bullish and did failed on creating a new low here. And we have a big ass rejection here on GA. Okay. Let's see. We got 4 seconds. Bam. All right, close. So we did close here. So we create now on 4 hours higher low. All right, so let's see now. If this candle wick down and start breaking the high on H4, this should fly. We're gonna get clean traffic to the next major QP, which is 86,000. But if we start printing a H1 bearish candle, we might looking at sells, right? So, I mean, I'm still looking at sells on G because, I mean, look at this. Smaller body. So I want to see something. If something closed bearish under 85,000, this is where I'm going to take my sell. Gold closed right at this resistance right here on H1. Looking at H4. H4 did close doji bullish. So for me, it's kind of a write-off candle at this stage. So yeah, so gold, I want to see something closing above this area now. Yeah. 30 minutes. Yeah, same idea. All right, so now let's go take a look at GJ. GJ 4 hours. 4 hours just goes massive bullish. So again, I want to see the wick down. So we're going to create that tail. And once the dogs start running and cross that nose right here, bam, we're going to start running. H1 did close like small doji-ish, bearish. So yeah, 30-minute did close nice, engulfing bearish candle, rejecting the major QP, but right at this zone. So it might be break, retest, and go. So that's why I want to see something closing under this area for sells, or I want to see a break and retest now. So I got a couple of options. Ooh. Yeah. Mhm. Sorry, guys, I was distracted. All right. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna have to go now. There's nothing much, and usually when I close the stream, everything happened. GA, nothing. Terrible. Wow, look like there's a no trade day again, 2 days in a row. Actually, I took a small trade on gold. Profit was pretty decent, but yeah. Nothing exciting, man. Nothing exciting. Oh, as I say that, nothing exciting, and goals start to shoot up. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wait a second, boy. So breaking the H4I once again. This is where I took my second entry. All right, so let's go, man. It was about to freaking time. All right, it should be good now. So yeah, so this 5-minute close above the range. So breaking the high should be good. I got a late entry on this one, so I'm going to be closing earlier. My entry is at 1783. 1783, or is it 1783? Where is it? 1783.87 right here. Oops. 1780.87 right here. Stop right here. Target here. All right, perfect. I was trying to get the break of the high. I was looking on my MT4 break of the high, so I was a little late here on this entry, but it is what it is. Let's go, baby. Can we do this? Two in a row. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Come on, baby. Yeah, this is the NYSE volume coming in slowly. In 20 minutes, we're going to have the NYSE open. Oh, hold on. Wait a second. GJ is pushing down now. All right, so it looks like we can get a retracement. Awesome. G is still sleeping. GJ just woke up and say, "Hey man, I'm late for work. Let's go." Bam. And gold is fucking around with me. I'm kind of at break even right now. Tiny bit of profit, but so this new 5-minute just opened. So that's why you see a little retracement. So we should print that bottom wick first and start pushing up. So now let's form that bottom wick. So if this 5 minutes starts to break the low here, this is where I'm going to be exiting the trade. Oh, I'm out. All right, so took my trade out here. That's it. Bam. So this one was a 0.5% risk. So I started to increase because I started with a very, very, very low risk on gold because this is not my main pair. And I start, to work with gold. So I'm not 200% confident yet. So that's why I'm using lower risk. GJ is my main pair. So far, one win on gold. That was bigger than my loss. So that's all good. So I'm in a very tiny bit of profit, but still. Keep your losses short. This is the goal. GJ, let's see some questions here. Why did you take gold over GJ? I didn't took gold over GJ. Just like at that time, GJ for me, I had no confirmations. I'm waiting for buys. I was willing to take a counter trend trade on GJ if the 30-minute would have closed like under here, because this might be a break and retest and go. So that's why. Oh, right here. Sorry, I was on the wrong screen. So I was waiting for this 30-minute candle to close under here to take a counter trend trade. But now this can be a break, retest, and go, or it can be price coming down to retrace in the golden zone. So now we can actually place our fib now. So we got the 382 right here, and we got our golden zone right here. There we go. There we go. Gold at MySL. Oh yeah, gold do those things. Gold is very scary, man. Not scary, it's just like crazy. So much volatility. So that's why when I have someone telling me, yeah, I trade gold with no stop loss. Yeah, okay. Good luck with that. Ooh, 4 likes to 100. Let's go. But we only have like 2 minutes left because I need to close the stream. Sasha, can you explain the golden zone, please? Basically, it's the rejection zone between the 50 and the 618. Okay, so most of the time you'll see a reversal around this area. Price is going to push up and it's going to retrace down in this area to continue up after. Gold is great if you can read it right. Totally. I'm still about 50-50 on my reading gold. That's good, man. It takes time. It takes time. All right, let's take a look at gold here. Yeah. Another little fake out here. Again, that's why when you see profits on gold, man, you secure profits. GA. Playing games. All right, guys. I'm going to have to go, man. I'm a little late here. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for being here. I'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow night, Forex talk over beer. So I'm going to go over trades. Actually, I'm not going to have a lot of trades to talk about tomorrow because, they don't trade. Hopefully tomorrow we can get a nice trade. But yeah, tomorrow, Forex talk over beer, 6 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you tune in. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. And again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow night. Take care. Oops, sorry guys.